In this tutorial, we will discuss the D2L email. Per college policy, instructors are required to communicate with students within D2L. When communicating with students, your CCA email should be used for emergencies only, or if D2L is inaccessible. D2L email is an internal email system. This means that we cannot send or receive email to anyone outside of D2L. For example, Yahoo, Gmail, or Hotmail email addresses are not functional in D2L. There are two ways to read an email in D2L. We can click on the envelope icon located in the main navigation bar and select Go to Email. Alternatively, in the course navigation bar, we can click on the Communication drop-down menu, then select the email link. Let's do that now. Once in the inbox, we will see a list of our emails. Unread emails appear in bold. We can read an email by clicking on the email subject located beneath the subject column. Our email will appear in the message preview window below. We can read the entire email by scrolling up or down in the right-hand side, or by clicking on the dividing line to increase the preview pane. Now we'll discuss how to compose and send a message to our students in D2L. There are two ways in which we can do this. The first option is to remain in our inbox and click on the Compose button. In the Compose New Message window, click on the button labeled Address Book. Using the drop-down menu next to the Filter By field, select the course you want to retrieve your students from. We'll select the Training Test course. The list of students from this course appear below. We can send an email to all students by clicking on the box at the top of the list. Or we can select individual students to email, then click the To link to add the selected email addresses to our To field. Click the Add Recipients button at the bottom of your window. We'll write our email topic in the subject field, then type our message in the message box below. If you need to add an attachment, click on the Browse button beneath the Attachment heading to locate and add your file to this email. When we've completed our email, we'll click the Send button at the bottom of the message box. Or, if we want to save our email to send at a later date, we can click the Save as Draft button. We'll click the Send button now. We see a confirmation that our email was sent successfully and a list of the recipients that the email was sent to. Click the Close button to return to your email inbox. The other method to send an email is to use the class list. Click on the class list link in your course navigation bar. The class list is an entire roster of the students enrolled in your course. You'll also see your name in the class list without a role, as you're the instructor. To email one specific student in the class list, click on the student's name. The student's email will automatically be inserted into the To field. Follow the same procedure as before. Include a subject and a message, then click the Send button. Let's exit out of here. Now, if we want to send an email to more than one student but not the entire class list, select the box next to each student's name you want to send an email to. Then click the email link at the top or at the bottom of the class list. Or, if we want to send an email to the entire class, click the box at the top of the class list and select the email icon. We'll see all of our students' emails in the To field. Students also have access to the class list, so they can easily email you or their peers using the same method. This concludes the email tutorial.
A few things to remember. Use D2L email to contact students in your course. You cannot send emails to outside accounts such as Gmail or Yahoo. And you can email students either through the Go To Email link using the envelope icon in the main navigation bar or through the class list in the course navigation bar.